Aside from singing, dancing has always been my passion. So when I learned that there will be a dance portion, I'm more than excited to do it.
Actually, I'm an acting director. I coach talents, celebrities. Okay. I'm only doing commercials. I've worked with Sarah for 3 Charmies na. And aside from that, pati yung beauty product niya. And go!
At sa aking pagbabago, may kasabay ako.
Are we okay? Mom, let's shoot now.
Yeah.
Move on. Okay, move on.
Dancing galore! She never changed. First time nagsimula pa lang siya, nakikinig sa instructions, ang bilis kumikap. Tapos hindi mo siya naririnig na umangal compared to iba, syempre. Minsan, no angal at all. Pagawa mo sa kanya, kahit pag magdamagan kami, okay lang sa kanya. Love to be para.
They were asking for a choreography, kung ano yung pwede. So, on the spot, nag-isip na lang ako. Okay, ito na lang. Ayan. So, madali naman din nakuha ni Sarah. Madali siya mag-pick up, so it was really nice. So it actually was just one frame. Yun lang. Basically, working with Sarah is really an amazing experience kasi una sa lahat, she's really down to earth. Parang wala lang, parang friends lang kayo. She's not, she won't look down on you, not just dancers. You know, she's, and I've known Sarah before pa naman, before we worked.
Siyempre, every work naman is a challenge kasi may special requirement for each personality. Like, siyempre, si Sarah, medyo kailangan kung concert, medyo modern, play with lights, at saka para mas glossy nga ang dating.
Asay pumabenta ang yung charisma iba eh. Kaya once na nag-endorse siya ng product, panigurado, kukulit pa rin siya. Ay, sarap tatagal pa eh. Marami pang gagawing commercials siya. And
Una sa lahat, parang ang ano din niya, who's free to do anything in your life. I like what Charmy's doing. With Charmy, hindi ka maiilang. Walang ilang, pika, kwan, kahit anong gawin mo. Like with her.
So, lahat ng mga kliyente wants somebody na pag in-endorse, bumenta siya, bumibenta siya. And I think she's doing good kasi ilang taon na siyang ginagamit ng Charmy. I'm sure
Enjoy. Enjoy shooting. Every time we do a shoot, para lang tayo naglalaro. That's the key actually.